expensive jewels.
Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, don't thank you, ma'am. Me.
Okay, let's go back sa t-shirt painting. Idodrawing natin si Marilyn Monroe at Elvis Presley. Alright, simulan na po natin. Unahin natin, ladies first. Okay, eto na po si Elvis Presley. At sa likod niyan ay si Marilyn Monroe. Ito Marilyn Monroe din dati to eh. Kaya gula-gulanit na eh. Ganyan siya pag nilalaban. Pero mga 4 na taon ko na yatang sinusuot to. No. 3 years. Okay? Simulan na natin ipinta ha.
You know, they ask you questions like, well, just an example, what do you wear to bed? You wear pajama tops, the bottoms of the pajamas, or the nightgown, or what kind of, so I said Chanel number 5, because it's
That's really this guitar doing that. Love me tender, love me true. Thank you. Never let me go. Thank you, honey. Thank you. Thank you very much. You afraid of me? Okay. Love me, love me when for my darling, I love you. I'll be over there. Just stay with me. Always will. Hi, buddy. Love me tender. And I always will.
Naalala ko itong suot kong shirt na ito. Dito ko unang pininta si Marilyn Monroe. Kaya lang cartoony. Medyo caricature. Tapos dito si James Dean. Tapos ito pa yung dati kong pininta. Sinusuot ko yan kaya yan nababakbak siya. Pag maraming suot na, mga 3 taon na to eh. Mahigit. Tapos, eto na ngayon yung bagong Marilyn Monroe na realistic naman. Hindi na siya cartoony or caricature. Okay? Thank you very big.
Love me tender, love me dear. Tell me you are mine. I'll be yours for all. So I can make it up now, man, till the end of time. Love me tender, love me true. All my dreams fulfilled. For my darling, I love you, and I always.
Anyway, ito po ay pen shop. Makikita pa sa kilay ni Marilyn Monroe ha. Ayan. Ito pa, marami pa tayong binili. Pen shop at bench. Hindi po sponsor yan ha. Para sabihin ko po. Pero bikini man. Bigyan naman. Thank you very much. Oh ha. Ayan na po si Marilyn Monroe. Ikot ka. Ayan, si Elvis Presley. May model pa po tayo. Si Mac Mac. Ayan na po siya. Pag natapos, pwede niya siyang isuot. Alright. Sabihin mo sa kanila, please subscribe to Movies!
Please subscribe to Movies!
Thank you very big!
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. You're a good audience, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.